Hi, this is Raxel and welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to overclock the refresh rate of Redmi K20 Pro. And to install this kernel you need Android 12 custom ROM installed in your Redmi K20 Pro. If you install this kernel in your Android 11 or other custom ROM, it won't install. This is only for Android 12 custom ROM and it needs to be OSS vendor based ROM. Okay, let's get going. Okay, we are in the recovery mode right now. So before we overclock, let's back up the TVO and boot animation. Let's take this two partition back up so we can restore back to our normal refresh rate, right? Okay, now let's hit this one. If you normally flash this kernel, it won't overclock your refresh rate, so we need to rename this kernel. All right, press and hold to rename. We need to add 72hz.zip. If you want to overclock 81hz, then add 81hz.zip. If you want to overclock 72hz, then add 72hz.zip, right? You need to rename in that way. Let's add 71hz.zip, right? Swipe to confirm. Okay, it's done. Now let's flash. You can see setting 81hz refresh rate, right? God bless you, my K20 Pro. Let's go. Okay, I can see the color is different. See the tint, right? The color is different. You can see a little bit of tint. It is overclocked right now. And the smoothness, right? DRM info, right? You can see the refresh rate is 81hz. Let's test UFO FPS test. Refresh rate is, you can see the refresh rate 81hz FPS. Of course you will feel the smooth because this is overclocked right now. The refresh rate is overclocked. Now let's go and play some PUBG and kill some noobs with the overclock refresh rate with 60 refresh rate. And I have installed 90 FPS module, Magix module, right? We are going to enable part 1, right? FPS meter, right? Okay, FPS meter is on. Now let's go to bootcamp.
Nice! Fuck you. Okay, let me add him.
are you doing there? Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoy watching this type of content, custom ROM review, custom ROM flashing, any related update to Redmi K20 Pro, then please consider subscribing the channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video in the future. Alright, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Take care. Goodbye.